Here we have a 2018 Audi RS5 Quattro. Now this vehicle comes with just under £7,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few there, we do have the comfort and sound package and also the black styling package. Taking a look at the front end, you'll find the LED headlights. We have the blacked out Audi badging on the front honeycomb grille. We also have the black exterior paintwork. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. If you take a closer look, you can see the big red RS brake calipers just behind. We also have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, silver door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've got the shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. Now as we come round to the rear, you'll find front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and an audible warning. We do also have the rear diffuser with the RS Sports exhaust system, which really does sound incredible. Got the dual exit as well. Just press this button here on the remote, then the boot will pop open like so. And inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space. It does go quite far back. There's a look inside of the boot. We have the storage net as well on the right hand side. A handle underneath here so we can pull the boot back down. And walking back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look now at the interior, inside of here you find the full black leather interior. We have the grey stitching as well. Just take a look at the back. You see we have two seats back here, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points. Having a look at the front seats, you can see we have the RS logo. Here's a look at the passenger side and the driver's seat. Really comfortable seats, both of which are electrically adjustable. They're also heated and they have the massage function as well. We also have the heated electric mirrors, electric windows, premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. Got the automatic wipers, automatic lights and a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside and then you'll find we have the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button. Vehicle will start up for us. We do have the cruise control and speedometer on that stalk. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, and we are free from any warning lights as well on the digital dashboard. Now we can go through different features by using the buttons on the steering wheel. So as you can see, we do have the media options. We also have the phone connectivity. Got the sat nav where you can have a full screen or a half screen. Back over here to the trip computer, you can see we have the driver assist. We also have the memory for the trip computer. We have the other options as well, the sport displays, lap times, and also the layout as well. We have the main screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav, but also has many more features you would have seen on the photos. The shortcuts down here, so click onto the phone. You find the phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have all these different media options with the Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, and all these other ones as well. We have then the radio stations where you find the FM, DAB, and AM stations. I'll just turn the volume down. Going on to the main menu, we can scroll through even further features. So if you go onto car, then you'll find the different drive modes. We do also have the driver assist, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Moving further down, you'll find the free zone climate control. We also have the ice-cold air conditioning. We have the heated seats on either side as well. Then we've got the shortcuts for the different drive modes. We have the auto start button, traction control, and also the parking sensors, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, cup holders. Again, we've got the shortcuts for the screen. We also have the automatic gearbox. If you put it into reverse, then the parking sensors will appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Audi RS5. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, we don't have to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not being able to turn left onto the right hand side to stay straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side. So if you want to stick the car into manual mode, you can simply tap on the paddles and then it will change gear. We've got a digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays and different features that you've just seen on the photos and also on the walk around video. you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do also have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings, and they do also have the massage function, which again adds to that comfort level. Now we also have many more features on the interior of this vehicle. We've got the main screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav, but also again has many more features you would have seen on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. We also have the 3-zone climate control in this vehicle, and the ice-cold air conditioning, which is perfect for them hot summer days. We also have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth, and we have the different drive modes as well. And we are about to take a right-hand turn in a moment onto the industrial park, where I will perform an emergency stop, put the car into reverse, just show the brakes, and also the parking sensors work as they should do. So we've got our right indicator on, we're starting to slow down, and then we're going to make a right-hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.